Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. Let's review a few care and cleaning tips. Before using your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer for the first time, please read all materials. When in use, your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer should be placed on a level, dry, heat-resistant surface and plugged into a dedicated outlet. When it comes to cleaning, most of your accessories should be hand-washed. However, the storage containers are dishwasher safe. Unplug the appliance when not in use and whenever cleaning it. Never submerge your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer in water or liquid. Water can ruin the electrical parts. To clean, wipe the inside and outside with a clean, moist cloth. Be sure the vacuum and air release ports are free of debris. After sealing meat, poultry, or fish, clean the entire appliance with a foodsaver sanitizer. When ready to store your appliance, place it in a clean, dry place. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.